Few things to look at when you buy used or new tires. Just want to show you a couple things here. I do have other videos that shows in more details those numbers or remarks on the tire, what it means. So just pay attention to a few things. Just in this video I'm gonna show you a couple things. Those 4 digits here, this is the production date. This is the 44th week of 2023. This tire was made on the 34th week of 2023. Also pay attention to if you want to know, this is all season tires. This is says M+S, that's mud and snow, that means all season tires. Also pay attention if it has outside or inside. So if it says outside, that means has to be toward the outside of the vehicle, away from the car. So this is on the rim side, as you can see here. On the other side of that tire is say inside. So that means this tire is asymmetric tire. It has to be installed this way. Just pay attention to those couple things. This way you have a good installation of the tire and prolong the life of that tire. If you notice on this tire here, it doesn't have any remarks for outside or inside. So this is a symmetrical tire, so it doesn't matter how you install it. But in the meantime, look at the production date here. It says this is the 7th week of 2023. Okay, and also it's all season tire, as you can see here, mud and snow. All right, just watch my other videos. I have more details about other writing on those tires, what they mean. At least you get an idea to make a good decision on buying tires. Thank you for watching.